Death toll and disaster scope. As of July 8, the flash floods triggered by remnants of Tropical Storm Barry have claimed at least 109 lives, with 161 people still missing, many in Kerr County. Among the deceased are at least 30 children, including victims from Camp Mystic. Federal response. On July 6, President Trump declared a major disaster in Kerr County, enabling FEMA to provide emergency housing grants, loans, and aid to local governments. Press Secretary Caroline Leavitt emphasized the administration is fully supporting Texas and defended federal agencies like the National Weather Service amid criticism concerning staffing. Presidential trip details. The White House confirmed Trump will visit the Texas Hill Country on Friday, July 11th, to assess damage, meet with families and first responders, and review ongoing recovery operations. Trump previously expressed concern about hindering rescue efforts, delaying his trip from an earlier date.